Welcome back guys to the channel. So today we'll be solving SAR. It is a very easy and straightforward box. It has some basic command injection vulnerability, and then we would be looking privilege escalation techniques. It is easy. It is based on cron job where uh, where a file is getting executed after a few minutes automatically with root privileges. So let us start. So let us first start enumerating the IP address, as you would be using netdesk cover. Yes, so we are here with our IP address. It is 192.168.0.14. So let us start enumerating with nmap automata script. Enter the IP address and all. Okay, so that was a quick enough, and we are here prompted with our port number 80.http. Okay, so it's a HTTP port running. Let us enter the IP address. It is 192.168.0.14. Cool. So it is Apache default page. So I think we would be needing. So we would be enumerating the directory brute forcing directories by using directory brute forcer net Dovester. Let us copy the IP address. Okay, so let's paste IP address. We will be selecting the default list, stopping recursive. I don't think so let us first see if there's any txt files. Okay, oh, let's see what does robots.txt have. Okay, it's a text. Let us see. Okay, there's nothing in the source code. Let's copy that and let's see if it is a page. And yes, let me zoom for you. Okay, I think it may be visible. So it says SAR 2 HTML version 3.2.1. Okay, collecting SAR data use. It's a journal. Okay, so let us first of all search the version on Google. So if there's any open exploits vulnerability, and yeah, there's a RCE on exploit DB. It's a exploit DB is a database for much of exploits. All the exploits will be are published here. Okay, so yeah, it's RC here. So let us see what the exploit says. In the web application, you will see index.php plot URL extension. Okay, HTTP IP address, index.php plot, and command here will execute. So let us copy this part and see if the RC really works for us. Let's execute the ID. Okay, I think that the command you entered after command injection, press select hash host, then your command's output will appear bottom side of the scroll screen. Okay, bottom on the select host. Okay, so my god, that's a great. And the web page is vulnerable to RCE. We can say it's a first command injection vulnerability that will lead us towards the RC. Okay, so let us get some data. What all things are here? Index.php SAR. Okay, is there any, is NC netcat present? And yes, netcat is there. Uh, and is which Python is there? If we are able to execute one line of Python if we want. Okay, Python 3. Yeah, Python 3 is there. Okay, cool. So let us see what all the users are there. Cat etc password cat plus, oops, my mistake. Yeah. Okay, so let us see for the users. There's a MySQL database. Cool. Okay. Okay, there's a love named user. Then I think the root is there, bin bash. It has the same. Love is also using same. Okay, nice. So let us start exploiting. Take your getting a RC. So firstly, we would be doing pentester monkey. Yeah. Okay, let's go for the shells. Cheat sheets. Okay. So let us try netcat RC first. Netcat shell one liner. If you are able to execute that. Uh, so okay. So let me stop the dubbuster first. Nice. It's done. Now let us enter the IP address of the machine. Okay. So it's 192.168.0.7 and yeah, let's copy that and start a reverse connection at our machine. Okay, I think there's no need of, but I think we need to URL encode it. Okay, so we were not lucky enough to get it. Let's try if we are able to execute wget -h, and yes. So let us input our own PHP reverse shell. As you can see, it is running a index.php file. So let us locate reverse.php on the machine. Okay, so it is there on my home directory only. Nano reverse.php on which port number? Okay, so it is, let us change it to 1234 and the IP is correct. Okay, python -m simple http server 8008. Yeah, the port is being running. Wget URL encoding http, the IP address of my machine and the port, and yeah, I didn't think I didn't I think it got uploaded. Yes, let's see. Okay, let's check. Oh, that was a mistake I did. The colon. Yes, now it is uploaded. It was a very silly mistake. Yeah, let us see if the file has been uploaded. Yes, it is uploaded, and let's try running it. by removing the index.php and replacing it by reverse.php, and bingo, we have got our shell. So let's take the first step by taking a proper terminal shell. Fancy import pty. Okay, and there we go. Okay, cool. So let us go on the home directory first and see. Okay, so there's a user love. Okay, let us go into the desktop directory. So here we have got our user.txt. Let us check if it has the same content. Okay, so there's a hash and the user.txt. Cool. So let us check the home directory. Without wasting the time, let's move on to the temp directory and upload our Linux privilege escalation script, which I have in my tools directory. Okay, so let's start the Python server and HTTP IP address of my machine, port number, and the script len.sh. It is uploaded. Let us give it executable rights, and there we are. So let us run the script and check for the output. Okay, so let's start analyzing the data. So what all the results we have got by the Linux enumeration script. And okay, so while you are, so first of all, just go through the Linux enumeration script first. If it is, if it has left something, then you can check it on manual if you do not get something through it. Okay, so let's start. So it has a kernel version Linux, so 5.21 generic. Okay, so we can go for the first. First we can check for the exploits, but I would recommend you going through all the report provided by the Linux enumeration script. Okay, the host name, the current user. Okay, group memberships. Okay, so that's another thing. etc password, we have gone through it. Our permissions on home directory selects. Okay, the environment variables, environmental information, path information, it's been provided. Available shells. Okay, there's a restricted bash too. Hope we are not into it. Password and storage information. Okay, so let's, there comes the cron jobs. So these are some of the cron jobs there are which get executed with root directory monthly, weekly. Okay, so cron tab contents. So these are the common weekly, daily, and this is something new. So here is a cron job of a file which is getting executed with sudo finally.sh. It is in a where www html directory. So let us visit first www/html directory, and okay, so here is a finally.sh. Let us check the permissions. Okay, so we have got the read permissions right of finally.sh. At the root we have the permissions of write.sh. Okay, so we don't have the permission to write the finally.sh. It is with the root user only, and we have the permission with write.sh. We can write into SAR to HTML. Okay, so let us check what does finally.sh has. It is executing the write.sh. Nice. So let us have a look what does write.sh executes. Okay, so as we have the permissions to write, we can do so we can upload our shell, PHP shell, into the www.html directory and paste the command to execute into the write.sh file, which is getting executed by finally.sh with the root permission. So we may be getting the shell after a few minutes with root user. So let us start a reverse HTTP server here. Yeah, and wget HTTP 192.168.0.7, the IP address, the port number, and reverse.php, and there it is being uploaded. And let us give the executable rights to the reverse.php file. Okay. Oh, we did miss the thing. We didn't change the port number, which will be giving us same. Okay, so let me first change the port number. So currently we are on the port number 1234, so we don't want the same connection on 1234, so we have to change it to, let's make a change of 444. Okay, yeah, so now we can start. Yes, and provide the executable rights. That is done. And now echo, so php reverse.php. Let me start first the nc lvp 444. Yeah, yes, good. And paste it into write.sh, and let's see if it has been done or not. Yes, it has been pasted successfully. Now let's wait for few minutes. So we would be getting, it will take around 4-5 minutes. And yes, there comes our shell. Oof, that was great. Yes, we have got our root user shell. Let us move to the root directory, and yes, there comes the root.txt. Great. So congratulations friend for rooting the box. Thank you.